Here's how to use Otter.ai with Microsoft Teams in seconds to automatically record and transcribe your Microsoft Teams meetings. First, open Otter.ai in your browser and make sure you're logged in. Next, open Microsoft Teams in a new tab. Click on Meet, then select Create a Meeting Link and copy the link. Now click Join and enter the meeting. Make sure your microphone is active, then click Join Now. Go back to your Otter.ai tab. Paste the meeting link into the invitation box and click Record. Return to your Teams meeting. You'll see a notification that Otter is waiting in the lobby. Click Admit. And that's it. Otter.ai will now automatically record and transcribe your meeting.